Hey guys, this is how to delete your Terabox account permanently. Open your Terabox application on your device. In the top left corner of the screen, tap to open the sidebar. Scroll down to find Settings, then tap on it. At the top, you will see Security Center. Tap on it. Scroll down to find the option for deleting an account, and tap on it. Provide a reason for deleting your account. For example, I don't want it anymore. Then, tap on Be aware of the risks and select Account Cancellation. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the account. Tap OK. Provide your email and password, then tap on Verification. You will be automatically logged out of the Terabox app, and your account will be deleted. If this guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.